Hi, I'm Maya Van Rossum, the Delaware Riverkeeper. The Delaware Riverkeeper Network is presenting a series of interviews taking a critical look at the shale gas industry and its impact on our communities, our environment, and on our future. Today I'm going to be joined by Professor Anthony Ingraffea. Dr. Ingraffea is the Dwight C. Bound Professor of Engineering at Cornell University. Dr. Ingraffea will discuss industry claims that shale gas is an alternative fuel and also talk about the impacts of the drilling industry. I'd like to thank the Chestnut Hill Inn here in Milford, New Jersey for hosting us today. So there's been recently in the news a lot of debate over Superstorm Sandy. And was Superstorm Sandy caused by climate change or not? And I think we're probably going to have these same debates over the catastrophic weather events in Oklahoma. Just wondering, in your opinion, given what you know, is that a worthwhile debate to be having?
It's absolutely worthwhile to have if you reframe the debate. If the debate is, was Sandy caused by climate change? Or were the Category 5 tornadoes in Oklahoma a couple weeks ago caused by climate change? Wrong question. There's no way to declare definitively that any one weather event extreme was caused by climate change. It's all statistical. If you rephrase the debate and say, is it far more likely that we're going to have far more extreme weather events in the future than we've had in the past because of climate change? The answer is yes. Actually, it's not debatable. Scientists have been saying that now for 10, 15 years, and they're going to say it again and again and again. The next IPCC report is coming out later this year, and it will once again declare what it said in 2007, that we are going to see a much higher rate of climate instability. It's actually a more meaningful phrase. Climate change, people think climate change, well, climate can get better. Boy, we'd like to have better climate right here, right now, today. It's kind of chilly on the banks of the Delaware. Words are so important. And here's an engineer telling somebody that, right? What do engineers know about words? Climate change can be perceived as positive or negative. Climate instability, That means unpredictability. That's bad. That means more extreme events. That's bad. So climate instability, meaning more extreme hurricanes, more extreme tornadoes, more extreme droughts, more extreme floods. We're already seeing that. It's predictable. It's statistically verifiable now that over the last decade, the rate at which we're seeing extreme events is drastically increasing as predicted by climate scientists. So I'd love to have the opportunity to instruct, not discuss, not debate, instruct the public on this science. When you say let's discuss it, that implies that there's something discussable. I don't go into a class at Cornell and discuss. I go into a class and instruct. I don't go into a classroom at Cornell and debate my students about how to build a bridge. I instruct them on how to build a bridge. Okay? When you bring the word debate or bring the word discussion into the issue of climate instability, it implies that you have an opportunity to deny, that you have an opportunity to say, it ain't true, that you have an opportunity to say, you're just blowing smoke. It's a liberal hoax. No, we're past that. We can only instruct now. We can instruct people what is happening. We can instruct people on the rate at which more things are going to happen. We can instruct them on why it's happening. We can instruct them on what we might do to curtail climate instability. It's instruction phase. It's education phase. We're beyond debate.